Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how EURUSD, USDCAD, USDCHF and USDJPY has moved in the last week and how these Forex can move in the next week. What we have seen that since 2 months that their swing has formed and now we have seen it is trying to move upside. It is moving in an ascending order. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are high that it can move further upside because it is moving on an upside on the uptrend. Before we move forward and explain you, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Doubt related to commodities, Forex, stocks, okay, you can mail me there. Plus a Telegram link also I given in the description, you can join that too. Now look at this particular chart. Okay, it is showing an range, but this range is showing in an uptrend. If you look at this makeup ascending order zone, so if this level sustain, then probability of going further high towards a level of $10026 is there, and if the price move above that particular level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $100,942. okay, and if the price move above that particular level, then chances are very high we can see it can touch a level of $102,602, and from there we can see it can go further upside. If the price sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of $103,793, and if the price goes above that particular level, then chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of $1.06486, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of $1.07850. okay, now if the price sustain, then we can see it can move further upside. Okay, and if the price didn't sustain this particular level, then chances are on the side that if the price didn't sustain, a swing can form at this particular level and it can touch a level of around $0.98865, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of around $0.97288. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $0.96131. okay, and if that level didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $0.95290, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can move further low. Now USDCAD, what we can see that USDCAD is forming a U pattern here. Okay, after that what we have seen, a swing has formed and it is showing a downtrend or in this particular zone. So suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, it can move further low. If the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of $0.99108. okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $0.98962. okay, and if there is a probability that there is a chances that it can move further low if the price didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $0.97879, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of around $0.97609. if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $0.96809. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, and then chances are very high it can move further low, and a probability of touching $0.9408 is there because all these supports are weak supports. So chances are high we can see it can fall further low till the time there we can see a level of $0.9460 to a level of around $0.9387. these are the support. From there we can see a bounce back can come. okay, now if the price sustain this level, as we can see this is a strong support and now it is trading at this level. okay, so if the chances are on the high side, if this level sustain a level of around 0.99670 sustain, then only we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of $100.304. okay, and if that level sustain, then there is a higher probability of moving further upside, that we can see it can go towards a level of $1.0751. okay, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $1.01497, and from there we can see it can move further upside if the price sustain above that particular level. okay, so if the price sustain this particular level, then the range will move upside, so probability of moving further high is there. USDCAD, what we can see that USDCAD, there is a swing has formed at this particular level. After that we have seen it is moving in a descending order downside. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, which is on the higher side, that it can move further low, and a probability of going further down towards a level of around 1.33 213 is there. If the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1.3227. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1.32178, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $1.30847. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can move further down. But if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can go further upside towards a level of $1.34938, and if that level goes upside, then we can see the next resistance coming at around $1.36121. What do you have to keep this in mind? Once the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch this particular level, and if the price above that particular level, then chances are high that we can see it can move further upside, and a probability of touching $1.39681 is there. For USD JPY, after making a high of around $1.51770, okay, you get a $152.07. What we have seen, there is a continuous downtrend. Okay, as you can see, this is from third week of, that you can say this in the third week, the trend has changed, and now it is trading at around $146.646. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, then chances are high we can see it can touch a level of $146.77. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $145.206. Suppose if the price fall below that particular level, then chances are high we can see it can touch a level of $140.864, and from there we can see it can fall further low if the price fall below this particular level. Now if the price, if a swing formed at this particular level, what we can suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level around $48.624, and this particular level is already a weak resistance, and chances are very high that if it comes close to this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $149.972, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can go towards a level of $151.700, and from there we can see it can move further upside if the price sustain this level. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.